We're putting on the biggest fireworks show in Florida. It's Carnival in the sky. Just going to celebrate the season, and we're very excited.
Zambelli Fireworks has been around for a very long time. I believe we're over a 100-year-old company. We're one of the largest in the U.S. and I believe one of the largest in the world.
How can you just explain excitement to no end? We're in preparation of this for a week now. From where everybody's going to be viewing, it's going to be great.
You get the lower level effects, which are the cakes, and you get the higher level effects, the shells, and intermediate level, the candles. So when I started, I was a kid, and I think I must still be a kid because I still love them.
I started when I was young, and I still love them.
We want to see the amazing fireworks tonight.
He always wants to see the fireworks all the time.
We've come from Bonita Springs to see these fireworks. We drove over from Cape Coral just for these fireworks.
Philadelphia.
We're from New Jersey.
I like fireworks because to see the sky light up tonight. They're pretty.
Because they make me proud to be an American.
Because it's free.
And they make you feel like celebrating.
We have 14 firefighters that are stationed out by the site. We've gone over the plans. They've got a huge show. It's 2,242 shells.